You've been lied to. The grind doesn't make you free, it makes you tired. Here's why the grind era is over. You've seen these videos, right? The 4 a.m. wake ups, the cold plunges, the no days off grind. They make it look like success is supposed to hurt. Like if you're not suffering, you're not serious. But here's the truth, that's not freedom. That's just a prettier prison. We didn't become entrepreneurs to work more. We did it to live more. What actually wins today isn't hustle, it's leverage. The problem with the whole rise and grind movement isn't that it's wrong. It's that it's incomplete. The core idea makes sense. The market never stops. There's always competition, so consistency matters. But the mistake is thinking you have to be the one grinding 24/7 to keep up. Here's the reality. You're human. Your energy, focus, and creativity are finite. The more hours you add, the worse the quality of your thinking gets. You become the bottleneck in your own business. The reality is, even if you work 14 hours a day, a team of 5 will always outproduce you. You can't outwork them. But you can outsystem them. The grind was never wrong. It was just built for a different era. The grind era assumed the only way to grow was through human effort. That's outdated. The new era runs on systems, automation, and leverage. You still work hard, but now your hard work goes into designing the system, not fueling it. Your business should never sleep, but you should. Leverage means building systems that multiply your efforts so you get compounding results without compounding your workload. It's how one person performs like 10, not because they're superhuman, but because they've built systems that scale their output. In the old philosophy, you did all the work yourself. With the new leverage mindset, you design the machine that automates and amplifies your work. And when I say leverage, I'm not talking theory. I'm talking about systems that actually do the work for you. Like the automation I built that creates and posts your content automatically across every platform, or the one that finds leads on LinkedIn and Instagram and then emails them while you sleep, or one that shows you how to build an ultra realistic AI version of yourself so you can create videos without even recording. You'll find step-by-step walkthroughs for all of these and more right here on the channel. Because this isn't just a mindset, it's a method. Leverage doesn't remove you as a human, rather it elevates you. It gives you the freedom to be creative, strategic, and empathetic. You use your abilities to design the system handles the repetition. That's intelligent leverage. Leverage doesn't make you lazy, it makes you limitless. But somewhere along the way, the grind became the goal. The hustle became the brand. And instead of chasing freedom, we started chasing exhaustion. Working nonstop doesn't make you successful. It makes you replaceable because anyone can burn out, but not everyone can build something that works without them. Leverage doesn't replace the human, it protects the human. Leverage gives you your time back. It lets you have dinner with your family, take a weekend off, or just think again. Freedom isn't about escaping work. It's about designing work that gives you your life back. Leverage doesn't kill ambition, it protects it. The grind era is over. The future belongs to entrepreneurs who don't just work harder, they build smarter. And that's exactly what this channel is about. You'll discover the tools that actually work, the ones that cut through the noise, the automations that save hours every week, the systems that turn chaos into control. Because you're not tired of hard work, you're tired of wasted effort. Every video here is designed to help you grow smarter, not harder, by using the best tools, automation, and AI to do what used to take a whole team. Whether it's lead generation, content creation, or project delivery, I'll help you cut through the noise and show you how to use the tools that actually work. So if you're done grinding and ready to build with leverage, subscribe and let's design the systems that give you your time, income, and freedom back. I'm Kevin from Solopreneur, and this is where we make leverage the new hustle.